Are you tired of dead-end online money-making schemes? What if I told you there's a simple, automated way to generate income? It's called an AI workflow. This beginner-friendly system creates content, attracts an audience, and earns money even while you sleep. Yes, this sounds incredible, but it's not a scam. It's a proven system using free or low-cost AI tools. No technical skills are needed, and you don't even need an existing audience. Are you ready to learn how to set this up? By the end of this video, you'll understand how this workflow works. You'll know the tools you need and the steps to start today. Let's dive in. This AI workflow consists of 5 stages. Each stage is straightforward and connects seamlessly. Together, they create a self-sustained system that brings content and income daily, needing only 60 to 90 minutes of your input each morning. Let's review these 5 stages. First is research. Here, the system identifies what people want to know. AI tools analyze real-time data from search engines and social media, finding the most searched questions and trending topics. Second is content creation. Based on the research, the system automatically generates high-quality content. This includes video scripts, blog articles, social media posts, and email newsletters. What used to take hours can be done in under an hour. Stage 3 is distribution. The created content is shared across various platforms, like YouTube, Instagram, and email, at once. Each platform attracts different audiences, driving traffic back to your main income-generating assets. Monetization is the 4th stage. The distributed content naturally embeds income streams, from affiliate links to product promotions. This way, every piece of content can earn from multiple sources. Finally, we have optimization. The system tracks performance, revealing which content performs best. This data helps improve future research and content generation, creating a continuously enhancing feedback loop. Let's break it down step by step to understand how to build it. Starting with research. Each morning, open Gemini and perform 3 searches. The first search should be about the most searched questions related to your niche. The second focuses on trending topics. The third looks for common beginner struggles in your niche. Gemini provides real-time insights. You'll know exactly what your audience is searching for. Choose the top 3 topics and bring them to Claude, asking for the best YouTube video idea from those. Claude will analyze the options and recommend the most promising topic, saving you valuable time. Now, moving to content creation. Use Claude again. Begin by generating a compelling YouTube script. Ask for a script that's engaging and beginner-friendly, with a strong hook and clear sections. Claude will produce it in under 90 seconds. Next, repurpose the script into a blog article, social captions, and an email newsletter. Claude can create these in just 2 short minutes. You'll have your complete content package ready in less than an hour. That's the content creation machine. Now let's go to distribution. YouTube, manually upload your video and schedule it for the best times. Use WordPress to publish your blog article and embed your video. For social media, utilize Buffer to schedule posts across multiple platforms. This takes just a short session each week. Finally, set up your email distribution with a platform like MailChimp. Promote free resources to grow your email list. You'll reach more audiences without extra effort. Next is monetization. Your content must not rely on just one income source. Include multiple streams naturally within your content. Firstly, earn from YouTube AdSense once you hit specific requirements. Next, embed affiliate links for the tools you recommend. Create digital products and promote them. Once your channel grows, expect sponsored content offers. Finally, consider a paid newsletter for exclusive insights. Lastly, it's optimization. Every week, review your analytics to see what works best. Look for improvements in click-through rates, engagement, and traffic sources. Use Claude to analyze your top-performing video and apply those insights moving forward. In summary, follow these steps to build your beginner-friendly AI workflow. 1. Research daily using Gemini and Claude. 2. Create diverse content with Claude in under an hour. 3. Distribute across multiple platforms with minimal effort. 4. Monetize through 5 diverse income streams. 5. Optimize every week to enhance performance and profits. You now possess the complete blueprint. When will you start building your version of this system? Share your plan in the comments. I personally reply to every comment to help you. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily updates on building real income with AI. Tomorrow, we dive deeper into another exciting AI income strategy you don't want to miss. See you then!